This meditation is called Chitta Shuddhi. The word Chitta means consciousness. The word Shuddhi means purification. The practice of Chitta Shuddhi helps to purify the mind so that the pure universal consciousness can be remembered. Although ego originates from Chitta or consciousness, it creates ripples of thought that cause the mind to become impure. Only when these ripples become still can pure consciousness be attained. This is the state of Chitta Shuddhi, in which peace, love, joy, and truth can be found. You can use whatever position makes you feel comfortable, whatever makes you feel at ease and completely pain-free. If you need even more support, you can even sit on a chair, sit up nice and tall, put your hands on your thighs and keep your shoulders relaxed. Now, slowly begin with a few deep breaths, breathing deep into the belly to help you relax and to bring you the sensations of the present moment. Now slowly close your eyes and be present just in the moment. Notice how your body feels, all the sensations in your body. Experience whatever is in this present without resisting anything or trying to change it. Keep breathing deeper and deeper. With every breath that you take, you're going deeper into relaxation. Now take one more deep breath and relax even more. Now, begin to use the faculties of your imagination. In your mind's eye, just visualize or think of a lake which is clear with sparkling water. You can add some color to this lake, such as blue or green if you like. But don't try too hard. The object of this meditation is to keep it as effortless as possible. Just allow this lake of water to appear before the mind's eye, shimmering, glittering, with just the most gentle of ripples on the surface. If your lake seems all turbulent, just bring your attention to the energy breath and gently feel that the waters are becoming calmer and calmer. Every breath that you take, the waters are becoming calmer and still. Breathe deeper and visualize this water becoming calmer. If you want to envision what calmness, peace, and tranquility feels like, you can just take a hint from the stillness of this lake. If the lake is rippled and disturbed, you cannot see down to the bottom. Neither does the lake reflect the glory of the surrounding mountains, the trees, blue sky, clouds or sun. But when the lake is absolutely still like a sheet of glass. It easily reflects the mountains, the trees, the sky, the clouds, the sun, perfectly in a clear mirror image. Therefore, if we learn to become still and calm from within, like this crystal clear lake, we may also draw all the things to us and reflect the greater glory of life in our very stillness. Others will naturally be drawn to us because of our wonderful state of calmness. See and feel the calm tranquility of this lake. You can sense the great stillness which arises from within you. You are that stillness. You are that lake of utmost calm. It goes down to your very deep self. Every part of your body, emotions, and mind is being in that stillness. The waters of immense calm completely fill you. They become you. Sit with this deep sense of calmness. Allow it to permeate every cell in your body, every particle of your emotions, mind, and your innermost self. Everything is ultra still. Your physical body is ultra still, right where you sit in this meditation. Nothing moves, yet everything lives. It's more alive than before. There is a presence, a life force within the silence, within the stillness. You are that presence. You are that life force. You are that stillness. Stay here for some time, allowing everything to wash away and simply make you still for the next few minutes.
मनसा सततं स्मरणीयम् वचसा सततं वदनीयम् लोकहितं मम करणीयम् न भोगभवने रमणीयम् न च सुखशयने शयनीयम् अदर्निशा जागरणीयम् लोकहितं मम करणीयम् न जातु दुःखं गणनीयम् न च निजसौख्यं मननीयम् कार्यक्षेत्रे त्वरणीयम् लोकहितं मम करणीयम् दुःखसागरे तरणीयम् कष्टपर्वते चरणीयम् विपत्तिविपिने भ्रमणीयम् लोकहितं मम करणीयम् गहनारण्ये घनान्धकारे बन्धुजनये स्थित गावरे तत्र मया सञ्चरणीयम् लोकहितं मम करणीयम् मनसा सततं स्मरणीयम् वचसा सततं वदनीयम् लोकहितं मम करणीयम् लोकहितं मम करणीयम्।